Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Monday the 19th of January and I am starting a new week of meals in Krystals Kitchen. I have been running around all day. The easiest thing that I can think of to make is hamburgers. So I have got 2 pounds of hamburger meat thawed out. I'm just gonna patty it up. I grabbed some buns while I was at Target earlier. We've already got everything else that we need for the fixins, and my husband has requested bacon. So let's get to cooking. I'm so sorry, I just remembered that I did not finish showing you the burger and it's almost gone, but it is delicious. There's the fries. Okay, have a good night, bye. Hey guys, what's up? Today is the 20th, it's a Tuesday. We're about to get some dinner started. I look bald in this video, my hair is just in a ponytail. Anyways, so, I've went through all my stuff and we are going to have, I don't know what to call it. It's like a pasta with chicken and broccoli, like an Alfredo situation. So I've got this John Souls pre-cooked chicken. If you don't like people cooking food out of packages, then this is probably not the channel for you because I do a lot of that. And then I also do things from scratch, so I just wanted to throw that out there. I have some frozen broccoli that we will dice up. I am gonna use some penne pasta. I've got about half a box of this, so this is gonna be like a combined situation. Also, I made a similar thing Sunday, so I'm just gonna take this leftover penne pasta and chicken mixture, and I'm just gonna like mix it up in there, and that's gonna be dinner. Oh, hang on. We're also gonna add in some canned corn because Ellie's kind of in like a corn mood at the moment. But enough rambling, let's get to cooking. I would kind of. Salt, onion powder, pepper, garlic powder, about a half a stick of butter. I'm gonna plop this down in my pasta. Velveeta.
I'm kind of dehydrated. I need to go get one.
I am gonna add a little splash of my homemade chicken stock. It's called Underworld, Gavin. Vampires and lichens. It's okay. I'm sure we can fix it. Okay, so I just put it in the oven. We're gonna go, it's on 400, so I'll probably leave it in for 30 minutes or so. I mean, everything's already cooked. I just wanna like cook it together and make sure all the cheese is melted. Also, I probably should have only used 1 box of pasta instead of 1.5. Babe, do you wanna eat together?
It's up to you.
Sure.
I was trying to map out the difference from Birmingham.
Yum!
Get the result.
Here's my plate. Lillian made the corn. I forgot to show it, but she did make some corn. Hey y'all, what's up? Today is the 22nd. We're having pancakes. I bought this big, huge 10-pound bag of pancake mix probably 3 months ago. We do not eat pancakes a ton, but I'm really glad I got that because I have them for whenever I want them. I've got 6 sausage left in this, so I'm gonna fry those up so I can get this out of my freezer. And then we're gonna have some bacon. And since my husband is a princess and does not eat pancakes because they go straight to his hips, is what he tells me, I'm gonna make him some eggs. And that is gonna be dinner for this Thursday night. And that's it. Let's get to cooking. So I don't measure, but there is about this much. I don't know, 2 cups maybe? I just add water and stir, and that's how I do it. So, about like that.
Did you just open up that? I can't.
We got fruit.
This away.
Hey guys, what's up? It is the 24th. It's a Saturday. This is the last meal of the week, basically. So I'm about to get some dinner started, but I'm also going to be making kind of like prep foods for me for the week. So I have found this fat burning soup. I don't know if it actually is fat burning. I found it on TikTok, and I've made it twice already, and it's delicious. So it's basically cabbage soup. So I have all of like the onion and carrots and everything right here. But for the family, I'm making Italian sub sandwiches for everyone else. Both of these are relatively easy to make. I am gonna go ahead and get the soup going first just because it takes such a long time to actually cook. But other than that, let me stop rambling, let's get cooking. Up first.
Underneath the sink, bro.
This is all the celery that I have, so it's just gonna have to work. Yeah. Salt. black pepper, smidge of garlic powder, smidge of onion powder, Now that my onions and celery and carrots are all chopped up, and cabbage as well, I'm gonna go ahead and add in 4 cups of homemade chicken stock, and it's obviously still partially frozen. That's fine, it will thaw out eventually. I'm gonna add a couple of cups of water. Now I'm only going to use about half of this second bag because I want to use the lettuce for something else, but there's going to be plenty. There's probably going to be leftovers, to be honest. Here's what we have going on so far.
Of the possessions, and that was some work. And at 6'2", 261 pounds, and it's Big Cup Jr. off the screen with the curl. Shot has started the ball as well for DJ Thomas. That's a gift when that happens. It was something where they are. Big Cup second half, 11 points.
If you don't make a mess, are you even doing anything? There we go. Let's give it a taste test, see if it needs anything. That's really good. Stop smoking. I'm gonna throw them in the oven for probably about 3 or 4 minutes, just enough to melt the cheese, and then put the tops back on it. So these are the same pattern as those, so I know which one goes where. Steven went with sour cream and onion sun chips. I went with Miss Vicky jalapeno. Dinner is ready.
Not when Daddy wakes up.